Okay, what's up, guys? Let me know if you hear me good. We have Wednesday today, 18 March. Give me some feedback about the quality. Welcome, Philip.
What now? Yeah, I don't know. I lost my voice from the microphone, and it's using my camera now. I guess I need to update. I need to update OBS. I just put do it later, but I believe I need to do it as soon as possible after the stream. Okay, Philip, let me know if you hear what I'm talking about the Discord. Because if my voice cut there, I'm gonna repeat it. Okay, no feedback, so I'm gonna repeat it anyway. Mm, we have a vote on the Discord on the Polish squad about the session for the beginners, and yeah, what the is with the microphone is makes me sick, to be honest. Yeah, I don't have a time to do it now. It is what it is. I'm gonna fix it for the for later bonus session or for tomorrow. So there is a message for the beginners, from Poland. You can choose the date when we're gonna do our stream with basic stuff. And I see there is no there is no activity on that channel. So for the next week, we're gonna start the session with basic stuff for Polish people. If during that session, there will be no activity, and also if that channel is still gonna be dead, I'm just delete that channel and stop streaming in Polish after Easter, after Easter Eve. Yeah, it's going like that. Easter Eve, something like that. Yeah, okay. We lose too much time at the beginning of the stream. So let's back to the Wednesday. I'm not paying too much attention for the gold today. I'm waiting for the final boss of this week, to be honest. Yeah, that's the biggest. Where is unemployment claims? Never mind, they're gonna add it tomorrow probably. Today is the biggest event of this week, federal fund rates. It's about the rate cuts. They forecasting same level as it is now. Okay. Wait. Okay, no. I was surprised because that bar was on the right side and lower rates was there. Now they are not betting 1% for rate cuts, but now they are betting 1% for rates gonna go up. Okay, but the rates should stay on the same level. It's 99% probability for it. So federal fund rates, maybe it will be not that big as the press conference 30 minutes later. Our eyes on FOMC press conference. Also the Fed chair. Kevin Walsh. Kevin Walsh will be the new Fed chair. Trump want to put dovish Fed chair, but Kevin Walsh is known as a hawkish person, so we have some conflict with the data about that about Trump expectation and about that guy. I don't know how it goes. We will see. Let's go to the charts now. Gold dropping today. I saw it before. I saw it before New York. Yeah, they didn't. They they not even test my area. Maybe on the lower time frame. Yeah, only on the 1 minute. So yesterday we talked about the consolidation till the FOMC rate cuts. Then maybe sweep the liquidity and go up, or test the zone and go down. They still not tested that zone. That was only maybe that was 2 minute test. That was also 2 minute BOS to the upside. So if you play liquidity sweep to going up, you probably lose your trade. And if you play break and retest here, you're printing a lot of money. So what's now? Let's go to the daily. We have our daily reversal zone, possible reversal, but they they not looking like they want to reversal. They break below. Maybe we gonna see a strong close to the downside. I don't know. So there will be possibility to going for weekly zone and maybe weekly reversal out of 4,550, 4,250. That's our next destination. They just hit first target. I'm not trading it. They just hit the first target. We mark up at last week or Sunday, I can't remember. That was the first target, third target, fourth target, and final target. First, second, third, and fourth. Sorry. Yeah, when they sweep that liquidity, Maybe we can see some bounce up. It took out liquidity. Maybe we can see some pullback after take it out. Like that liquidity never again exist here. It's looking like a consolidation accumulation. So will be nice. If we back there and print another leg down. It's far away, but FOMC press conference can do everything. So 15 minutes. Give me 1 hour. Yeah, there is also 61 to 78 FIB level on test that zone. So if you like bulls, it's not worth. Maybe if you use stop loss like that, it's 1 to 4. But personally, I'm waiting for the bearish setup during FOMC. I'm waiting for bearish setup here. Can it work to the upside? Of course it can, because we do a big drop pre FOMC. We sweep daily low. We sweep that low, so gold should react for the pullback. And if they decide to reversal from here, I will be surprised. Okay, that is also a trap candle on the weekly. We have EMA 20 on the weekly. I like it. I like it. I want to see a touch and rejection. Maybe next week when it's go higher and the market go lower, they meet maybe somewhere here. Let me look at the RSI if it's oversold. Or not. Daily is oversold on the RSI. And weekly is on the 50%. Okay. I still like to put it lower to to rebalance maybe 50% of that week. Let's delay that targets to have a cleaner chart. If you not make a screenshot, you can just how to say that. Yeah, you can back the stream so like a 2 minutes or that week is interesting. 50% is here of that week. It's also around the EMA. If next week goes lower, the weekly chart will be oversold on the stochastic. It's gonna be interesting for sure. Where we can make a range. Yeah, I'm not gonna say gold's gonna die here or maybe lower. It's I can't see it. Maybe we're gonna build a range, same as here, same as here. For the longer term, same as here. %50. Same as here, same as here. Yeah, maybe we're gonna build a range. Gold moving up for the long time. That was small range only here. The expansion was really long time. I will be no wonder if they're gonna build some range. But for the logic, if we are in the downtrend, if we break that and we are in the downtrend, maybe that's gonna be, if you like bullish, maybe that's gonna be your position until FOMC hit out, and somewhere in that box I will looking for another leg down. Yeah, that buys are counter trend now, so risky setup. Better is playing with the trend. I'm not taking a buys, I'm waiting for sells inside that box. It's 950 to 975. That will be my area of interest for sales. She can be also boring until FOMC. It's coming in over 1 hour. Yeah, 2 hours to press conference and 1.5 hour to fund rate cuts. Maybe it's gonna be boring. And that is also possible. It's still possible. But cells here are logic now. Okay, let me know if this is clean for you. Yeah, oil, what we marked yesterday. Oil hit us out from the open. Sad. Oil is more in the consolidation. Gold just break down the consolidation, and oil is still holding in the top. But maybe during FOMC we're gonna see something like that. That will be a logic with gold. With gold potential pullback. For more sells. Maybe swing. You can choose your targets by the daily. That's gonna be your first target if you play it. It will be your first target. That's gonna be second target. I'm always marking a buddies. It's gonna be a third target. And final target somewhere in that zone. Maybe just on the top, maybe just on the bottom, maybe in the middle, inside. So yeah, if you play that, it can be possible first target. Stop loss. Stop loss above it. Maximum stop loss here. You don't want to see break it upside. So 5050 will be maximum stop loss. Oh, that will be 1-to-1. That's why better is be familiar with our entry model, because when they go into the zone, you can just go down with your time frame to the 1 minute or 2 minute or 3 minute, and you can wait for break of structure, you know, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. That's your break of structure. Pull back for the lower high and go down. So otherwise it can be 1-to-4 first target. That's why I like entry model. You can be more precision with your stop loss. If they take it out here, that's my change of character zone now, because it can be changed tomorrow or Friday. It can change. Maybe it can be lower. If they go up here, I'm gonna wait for some pullback accumulation. and go higher. That's the scenario for the bulls, for the reversals, but the OG zone is here now. 950 to 975. And yeah, if you are a risky trader and you trade only bullish setups, maybe something into that zone, but I'm not taking that buys. I'm personally not taking that buys. I'm trading only with the trend. I'm not playing counter trend. Yep, so that's gonna be it from myself. If there is no question, I will give you 2 minutes for the question. That's gonna be it from myself because yeah, I'm repeating it. I'm repeating some things, so that's the time. Also remember, if you have some question, put it on the Discord in English, in Polish. Tag my nickname and ask whatever you want. You can also send the screenshot of your analysis and ask me if it's correct with our strategy, or you can ask me after the stop loss what you do wrong with your trade, because you know maybe everything was okay, but market is market. There is never 100% win rate. So until I don't see any question, I'm gonna repeat it last time and we're gonna finish the stream. Today was not much activity, to be honest. So I will be on the Discord later. We will see if we do a FOMC stream bonus session or not. Okay, so last time. The reversal zone not hold. So we are about to go into weekly reversal zone. That's gonna be our destination for sales. During we hit that zone, we can reversal from this TP1, TP2, TP3. We can also do a reversal out of that three zones, but lower probability than here. So that's why it's your targets. And for now, I want to see take out that consolidation, do a pullback, and then I'm gonna snipe for bullish entry. Now I'm bearish until FOMC. I'm not touching it. For me, they can do a pullback to that box, and inside that box, I'm gonna looking for bearish setup due to our entry models. Yeah, I'm sorry for my microphone today. I don't know what happened. It's probably about the OBS update. When I run my OBS, I got a notification about do a update now or later. I click later because I don't have a time to do it. I'm just run my OBS 1 minute before the stream, so I fix it for next live session. And that's gonna be it from me for now. I don't know if we do a bonus session. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see soon. But for now, uh, have a rest of, have a nice rest of the day. Be careful during FOMC because volatility can be really big, especially if you are new. That's probably be the biggest volatility you see until you join to our group. And wait for the press conference. What gonna they talk on the press conference? Because federal fund rates stay. Yeah, there is 99% to stay on the same level. So I can't believe there will be rate cuts or rate increase. Press conference will be more volatility for me. Okay, guys. See you later or tomorrow. I don't know. And be careful here today. Yeah, thank you for being here with me. Bye bye.